Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect and disconnect bank accounts with FreshBooks. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your FreshBooks accounts, which of course I have done right here. And the next one is how can you create an account on FreshBooks? Launch in the browser of your choice and look at the search bar. In the search bar, type freshbooks.com, and that's going to take you right into the official website for FreshBooks. Once again, to the website, just follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in FreshBooks. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to connect and disconnect bank accounts with FreshBooks. So let's start with how to connect. Head over to the left navigation panel of your screen where you have dashboard, client, estimates, invoices, payments, expenses, project, time tracking, accounting reports, all the way down to settings. And now before settings, you have the bank connections option. So just go ahead and click on bank connections. And that takes you over to the next window where you can now choose your bank to get started. So let's say I'm banking with American Express. You can click on that. If you don't have your bank stated here, go ahead and click on find your bank and follow through the prompts to find your bank. So let's say I'm banking with American Express. I just click open American Express. You're not a robot. Oh yeah, I'm not a robot. Check this box to see that you're not a robot. Once that's been confirmed, go ahead and click on continue and follow through with the prompts to connect your bank. So this is opening up. Give it a couple more seconds. So over here, American Express will provide the following standard information to FreshBooks, your account and transactions. If you want to do that, go ahead and click on continue. And once you click on continue, just follow through the step-by-step processes to connect American Express to FreshBooks. So once that has been successfully connected, you're going to see American Express under these bank connections category. You're going to see that American Express has been connected here. In this window, you're going to see American Express connected already. So if you want to disconnect it, just right next to the right of American Express, you're going to see the disconnect link. Now go ahead and click on the disconnect link and follow through with the step-by-step process to disconnect the American Express from FreshBooks. So that's it. So once you connect any bank, right next to the bank, you're going to see the disconnect link. Click on that and it's going to be disconnected. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.